Hey Pokemon fans, welcome back to another anime drawing tutorial. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to draw the electric type Pokemon Pikachu. You can use a digital tablet like myself or paper and pencil to follow along. You may also need the following art tools listed below for drawing. Let's begin. To start this drawing off, we're going to start by putting down the basic shapes. First, draw in a squoval on an angle along with 3 little loops at the top for the head. At the top of the head, on the sides, draw in 2 shapes like shown for the ears. Below the head, draw in a pear-like shape for the body along with 2 little ovals at the bottom for the feet. Now, on the sides of the body, draw in 2 shapes that will pose for the arms later on. To finish the base shape, draw in the 2 rectangles as shown for Pikachu's tail. Now we need to work on the face. 2/3 of the way down, draw in a horizontal guideline going across. Then, draw in the eyes as shown. Using that same guideline that we just drew in, draw in Pikachu's little mouth and a tiny nose just above. Below the guideline, draw in 2 circles, one on each side for the cheeks. When happy with the face, rub out the guideline and draw in 2 curved lines for the tips of Pikachu's ears. Moving to the arms, we are now going to draw in Pikachu's little fingers as shown. These need to be nicely rounded at the tips. Wrap out the guidelines and draw in the smaller details located in the palms of Pikachu's paws. Moving down to the feet, wrap out the guidelines and draw in a couple of lines on each side for the smaller toe bean details. Near Pikachu's tail, draw in 2 triangles for the patterns on the back. Then, wrap out all the guidelines that we no longer need. These will be located on the tail, body and face. To finish the drawing off, grab a nice black fine liner and outline your drawing. You can make some of the lines thicker than the others to add more depth to your drawing. Last but not least, colour in your drawing. You don't have to do this, but if you want to take your drawing game to the next level, try using different shades of colours you already use. It'll make your drawing pop. Great news! You have now acquired your very own Pikachu. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful in any way, boop that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to see more Pokemon related content.